Hey, man, we're back at it again, man. Back at it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, man, I'm going to show you a quick video. No BS, get to the point. Let's get it over. All right, if you look at, we got a club car here, and it's got a tow maintenance switch under the seat. And if you put it in tow, which is what I normally do to speed it up and set the RPMs on it for speed, when you put it in neutral, turn the key on and flip it, the maintenance switch to tow, it doesn't crank up. All right. And the reason why, these micro switches over time, when you go forward, well, that's reverse, that's forward. If you look at it, you see how the micro switch arm, there's your micro switch here, bolts on through these nuts. If you watch it right here on this arm, whenever I move this, watch this, all right? See how it goes in? And what happens over time of you shifting gears is this micro switch in neutral. When you got it in neutral, it should be in the middle. Let me see. Oh, where's it at? All right. In neutral, it ought to click. Let's see. But it doesn't. All right. So what you want to do, actually, the good one here, this one don't. But what you want to do is make it where when you put it in gear, it activates the micro switch. So right now I'm putting it in gear, and you see it pushing the arm in. It puts it in gear, all right? And what happens sometimes, over wear and tear, this arm here gets bent out and don't allow the micro switch to disengage. So therefore, sometimes the cart won't even run in forward or reverse, all right? And all this is just a micro switch for safety, so the car can't crank up neutral. All right. So all you got to do is take your screwdriver. Let me get a screwdriver here. Let's try this here. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna flip this switch to maintenance mode. I'm gonna turn the key on and let's see if it crank up. Nope, it does nothing. So what I'm gonna do is go to my toolbox, get me a screwdriver, and I'm gonna try to bend the arm out. Let me see. I'm gonna get two screwdrivers. And what I'm gonna do is bend the arm out where it, in neutral, the micro switch should disengage. I'm gonna turn the key off because the lights always stay on. Let's see. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I have it neutral now. Actually, man, I was just making this video, man, to show y'all a quick tip. But it worked out good because the micro switch did not disengage. So what I'm gonna do is take my screwdriver. I'm gonna put it in here. And bend the arm out. All right, then like that. Some hear it click. Yeah. All right, now you're gonna hear it click. So I gotta get my big ass, excuse me. I gotta get my big butt up again. Put it in neutral. Key on, have it in neutral, and I'm gonna hit the gas. Yep, and now the cart runs. All right, and that's in the maintenance. Now I'm put back in operate, so it drives when I put it in gear, so I won't sit on the seat and go to drive and it won't run. All right, man, that worked out good, man. So if you'll listen close, let's see if you can hear it. When you put it forward, hit reverse. The mic switch is engaged. Neutral. Disengaged. Reverse. Engaged. All right. So now the mic switch is good. So if you got one that don't run, try this, man. It could be bad. All right, man. In the comments below, man, post if you want me to post something on the golf cart. Just let me know, man. Later.